Now this is what I do when I do veneer edges to veneer panels, okay? And this is the back side, so, you know, it's good to practice on your back sides. So when it comes down to this, this is what I do. The weight of your hand, okay? Now, with this sharp, it's a sharp edge. If you do not break it on a microscopic level, when you apply your sealer coat and that dries, it actually dries and it shrinks and it peels back, exposing raw wood right on that sharp corner. So then when you take your sanding sponge or whatnot, after sealer coat, you're getting it smooth. That's the first thing that's going to burn through, especially on the darker stain that I'm going to be doing. It's going to be quite dark. So we want to make sure we break that edge so that there's the film of lacquer, polyurethane, conversion varnish, whatever you're spraying, will curvature and it'll form a solid skin. It won't peel away at a sharp corner, okay? So that's the number one thing that goes, and plus if you don't do that, and even if you're top coated, that's the first thing that's going to, with wear and tear, that's the first thing that's going to get hit. And it's going to have less protection. So what I do, 45, very lightly, okay, you just create a break there, okay, and without sanding through, and just bring that break all the way through. It's a slight angle, you're not sanding straight, you're sliding on an angle, like up and down, on the angle, okay, bring that break all the way down, okay, so now you got a consistent break. Now you're going to make sure it's consistent by going 45, straight forward, straight back. Tilt it down to about 15-20 degrees. Okay, back, forth, back, forth. Do that same thing with there. Back, forth, and then back 45, back, forth. That's it. Do that, I promise you, it will be consistent, and you can go run your hand against there. It's not going to cut you.